Hello, Professor Rosemary here and welcome to my lab. Today we'll be making some award-winning Teddiursa fried rice. Okay, so technically it's not an award but more of a prize, but I'm proud of it, Kay. Let me have this. And I'll be honest and say that this isn't exactly an original recipe. Credit goes to Ochikeron, one of my inspirations for getting into cooking and YouTube. Alright, story time. Flashback. Back when I was 15, I recreated Ochikeron's Rilakkuma Omurice for a school competition and came in second place. I was salty, drowning in it. The sea of salt of which I wallowed in came from what won first place? Maggi curry. For almost a decade, the bitter sting of the curry spices consumed me until this contest came along. A light shone before me. I was offered redemption. No longer shall I be bound by these noodly chains. So today, I shall show you the path to redemption. In the form of a sleepy Teddiursa. So yeah, let's get making. Here's what you'll need. So first, dice up your garlic, tomato, and onion with the magic of video editing. Then on medium heat in an oiled pan, sautée your garlic and onion until fragrant for about 5 minutes. In goes next is your cooked rice, ketchup, and tomatoes. Toss and mix the ingredients while breaking up the clumps of rice. So a little bit about the competition. Entitled Farm to Table, it focuses on bringing awareness to using fresh ingredients straight from the source, without the need of industrial processing, handling, or shipping, hence Farm to Table. A benefit of this is that because the ingredients come straight from the source, there is less time for nutrient degradation, so it can be said that your dish will be more nutritious. I took this opportunity to get myself a rosemary plant because I've always wanted my own herb garden. Rosemary is also my favorite herb, hence Professor Rosemary. Speaking of which, add your rosemary leaves next. You can of course use dried rosemary, but it was here that I realized that there's a certain pride with using fresh ingredients from your garden, and it feels good. Anyway, toss your rice around for a minute more and serve, but for our purposes, leave it to the side to cool until it is warm enough to handle. Next, on low heat on a well-oiled pan, spread a beaten egg to make a thin omelette, and repeat to make a second one. Here's a tip. The best time to flip the omelette without tearing it is when the edges are kind of dry like this. Alright, now that we have our components ready, we can get assembling. I'm first folding an omelette for a pillow, then shaping the rice into our Teddiursa with plastic wrap. If your rice is too dry and does not hold its shape, you can mix in some ketchup or mayonnaise until you can shape it. Then I'm tucking our friend in with the other omelette, cut to size. Then adding on the details with mayonnaise, sliced cheese, and seaweed sheets. Finally, I'm just garnishing with some ketchup, tomato slices, and some rosemary, courtesy of our new lab assistant. And with that, we're done. I was honestly gonna be extra salty if I came in second again with the same dish, but hey, I got first place and my pride and self-worth has been restored. Woo! So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you can try this out. Leave your suggestions in the comments and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!